right here is an installation, quality of installation. You don't ever want a nail in your drip groove. This is actually rusting and lifting out to the point where you can just pull it out. Well, what you got then is you've got a nail right there, and you got water running in this drip groove going into it, so that's an issue. The nails need to be on the edge where they're installed. A 6-inch staggered pattern, no nails, and then more nails resuming. This looks like a potential manufacturer issue as well, because you get this crack here. Make sure I'm filming it. Coming through, you know, they call that glazing. There's another one. If you look right up here, I found a few of them. Let me find them. Right here we go. So where a drip groove comes together, right here, you get this crack right above it. Drip groove and a crack. And if you see that, let me find some more. I saw a couple other ones. It's not as bad as a previous roof I was on, but they are here. Let me find a few more here. There's another one. So drip groove and a crack. Basically what happens is these shingles heat and contract in the temperature, and if they're sealed down really tight, for example, this shingle is sealed really tight to the tar here and here. When these expand and contract, this one's wanting to do its own thing as well, but it's bonded permanently here. So it will cause a crack to develop right here. Well, what that kind of leak caused, this shingle here, that's the exposure. Then the headlap goes up so much under the third shingle above it. Well, if you get this crack here and you look in here, you see that dirty water trail coming down. Right about there is a spot where water will get in onto your deck surface. Unfortunately, when it comes to an installation issue, you can't see those unless you pop these loose to look, and if they are everywhere, there's no simple fix. But given that you do have the cracking and glazing and splitting of the shingles like down here, let's see if I can't find any more relatively easy. Got a nail pop right here. There's one right here. So you got the drip groove and the crack comes up right above it. Well, you got a definite dirty water trail. Could be going into that nail, but more importantly, you got the slit that continues. Water coming in. And let's check this side out real quick. Oh wow, that is a massive problem. Huh. Well, there we go. Temporarily fixed. They never nailed this in. I found this problem. I can't believe this one.
Are you kidding?
Well, let me come down and show you what I found.